So I'm now here with Armhole with this design. I have to finish this project with this design, plackets and polo collar. So the way that I attach or testing checking is by pin first, like that. So there is two procedures how to check if it's fitted or matched on it. You can start here at the bottom here, or you can start getting the middle of the armhole and put it here and then put it down like that. As long as you have accurate cutting on the fabric of the armhole, there is no problem on that. So after attaching that, the other one I finished already sewing, attaching the armhole to the blouse or shirt. So if you have built-in aging, it's more better. So my sewing machine is a portable one. The solution on that is zigzag first. You stitch the zigzag at the very end of the edge, and then put or stitch straight beside the zigzag. It will serve as the built-in zigzag on a high-speed sewing machine. Okay, so I'm done with that. So I'm checking after I attach the armhole to the shirt or blouse. I have to check if the fabric is exact or accurate. Okay, so you have to pin the shoulder here and the armpit there, the armpit there. Actually, I already permanently sewed by my hands this one because I want it to be exactly like this. Oh my god, there is a pin right like that. This one must be match the line of the armhole here, the front and the back here. So that's why I need to, my procedure is make sure it is aligned like that. There, you see this must be aligned. So I need to stitch it on my hand first before finalizing it by sewing machine. So now if you have found out that there is something like excess fabric at the bottom of the armhole here, you need to trim it until there will be a pair of exact, they have exact alignment. Okay, you have to trim them. So after that, after fixing the end of the armhole is already straight, fair, straight like that, it's time to stitch the end of the armhole. Because my allowance is one inch, so you have to fold like that, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1/2 first and then 1/2 again, like that, 1/2. Before I will finalize, so after before that I will continue that explanation, because the ending of this is after you made the allowances, you're stitching the allowance there. The next is finalizing stitching here up to the end of the blouse. I will show you that. So by making the folding of the allowances is because I have 1 inch, so 1/2 first like that, 1/2 inches. You measure it by tape measure, like that, half inch, okay, half inch, and then half inch again. So the total is 1 inch that I put an allowance there. You see, half inch is total is 1 inch, right? So you have to pin like that. So 1 inch, half only it will show because the half inch is already inside that I folded, right? So up to the end I will do that successively. Up to the end I will do that half inch fold and then half inch like that, okay? Excuse me, my throat is itching. So after that I will stitch here, straight stitch like that up to the end, okay? I will show you, maybe you know already how to stitch, just sewing it, right? Yeah, there we go, like that. Half inch is the outcome showing there because the total is 1 inch, half inch inside. So I will stitch it off the camera, straight stitch like that up to here. After I fold it, fix it, and then after stitching it I will show you how to finalize it from armhole to the end up to the hips. Thank you.